Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT dark mode in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to enable dark mode on ChatGPT, you have come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To enable dark mode in ChatGPT, first of all, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device. Once you are on ChatGPT, tap on the menu icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open a side panel showing your recent chats. At the bottom of this side panel, tap on your profile name and picture. Now you are on the account settings screen. Find and tap on Personalization. A new screen will open with different options. Find and tap on Color Scheme from here. Now, a pop-up menu will appear with different options. From the pop-up menu, select Dark to enable dark mode. Now, ChatGPT will appear in dark mode, making it easier on your eyes.